Imagine you're walking in a forest and come across a fallen tree. It poses a curious question. If a tree falls in the forest and no one is around to hear it, does it make a sound? This intriguing conundrum challenges our understanding of perception and reality. So, what does it mean for the tree to make a sound? At first glance, the question might seem simple, but it's more complex than you think. Let's break it down. The query involves two elements: the physical event of a tree falling and the perception of sound. These two are intertwined as our understanding of reality is shaped significantly by our senses. So when a tree falls, it indeed creates vibrations in the air. But if no one is there to perceive these as sound, does it truly matter? In other words, without perception, does the physical phenomenon even matter? Let's get into the heart of the matter, the sound. Sound is essentially a sensory perception, a wave requiring a medium like air to travel. Moreover, it needs a receiver, say an ear, to perceive it. Without a receiver, the sound wave simply dissipates. So does the tree make a sound if no one is around to hear it? Let's briefly recap. We've explored the mechanics of the fall, the science behind sound creation, and the necessity of a receiver to perceive it. From a physical standpoint, vibrations are indeed produced when the tree falls. However, if we consider sound as something that must be heard, the absence of a receiver complicates the answer. In the end, it's not just about the fallen tree or the unheard sound, but about how we perceive and understand our world.